For what values of x does f of x equal 9? How did you find the values? How do they compare to the solutions of the equation? Well, I've got this quadratic equation graphed over here, f of x equals x squared. So if I want to know where f of x equals 9, I can just graph it right here, f of x equals 9. And what, actually I'm just going to graph y equals 9, because that's going to define the function differently. So now if I go up here, you can actually see that there's a line that's been added to our graph, and it's going to give me two intersection points here at 3 and -3. So what I did was I graphed the line y, or f of x equals 9, and I looked for the places where the line intersects the graph. Now, when it says how do they compare to the solutions of the equation, remember that equation that we had earlier, those solutions were 3 and -3, which are the same as those two x values right there. So let's go ahead and note that down. Okay, so this says f of 3 equals 9 and f of -3 equals 9, so 3 and -3 would be those values. I found these values by graphing y equals 9 and looking for the points of intersection with the parabola. The values are the same as the solutions that we had earlier.